Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel today. We're talking about something that affects each and every one of us. Time. We all know it's precious. But how many of us truly realize the value of every moment? In this story, we're going to explore the consequences of wasting time and how it can change your life forever. Let's dive right in. Have you ever had that feeling where you know you should be doing something, but you keep putting it off? You keep thinking, there's always tomorrow. What if tomorrow never comes? What if the time you think you have isn't as abundant as you imagine? Imagine living your whole life with this mindset, and then waking up one day realizing it's too late. This is the story of a man named Alex. He was a man who lived with one simple belief: there's always more time. He loved his job, he loved his hobbies, but most importantly, he loved the idea of someday he would visit his parents more often. Someday he would call his best friend. Someday he would tell his partner how much he truly appreciated them, but that someday was always pushed away, until one day that someday never came. Alex had a demanding job that kept him up late every night, and because of that, he had a habit of pushing away important relationships. He thought he had all the time in the world to catch up later, but over time, people started noticing. His partner started to feel neglected, his parents stopped calling as often, and his best friend began drifting away. Still, Alex believed there was plenty of time to repair these bonds. Then one day, Alex got a call. His best friend, Mark, had passed away unexpectedly. It hit Alex like a wave. He had so many things left unsaid. He realized that all those some days had slipped away and now Mark was gone. A week later, Alex's father fell ill, and before Alex could even arrange a visit, his father passed away as well. Alex was crushed. It wasn't the work he did that mattered most in the end. It was the people who were no longer there to share those moments with. Alex had missed the most important things in life, and he could never get them back. Alex sat in his empty apartment, reflecting on the years that had gone by. He thought about how many times he had promised himself he would spend more time with his family, make more time for his partner, and get in touch with friends. Yet every time he thought there was always more time. But now time had run out. It's a harsh truth, but it's one that we all must face. Time waits for no one. Time is the one thing that can never be replaced. Every minute that passes is a minute you'll never get back. So, what can we do with that knowledge? First, stop waiting for tomorrow. Make today count. Don't wait for a special occasion to tell someone you love them. Don't wait for the weekend to spend time with your family. Don't wait for someday to pursue your dreams. Start right now. Because someday might just slip away and tomorrow might never come. Start by making small changes. Put down your phone when you're with your loved ones. Take time to appreciate the people around you and the moments you share. Be present. Set aside time to focus on what truly matters and eliminate the distractions that steal your time. Prioritize what you love, what brings you peace, and what fills your life with joy. Remember, time is something we all have in equal measure, but how we choose to use it makes all the difference. If this story resonated with you, if it made you think about how you're spending your time, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so that you don't miss more stories that might change the way you live. Your lifetime is precious. Let's make the most of it together.